Do you think Christmas has got too commercialised?
Yes, I think I do, because no sooner that August is over and they got the Christmas things on show. I think they're all out to make a lot of money and the housewives are paying for it.
Do you think Christmas has become too commercialised?
Well, I hardly think so. I have to work myself, but I think we should spread the joy around. At least make the children happy. And it's the one festival of the year when everyone seems to relax and enjoy themselves.
What do you like about Christmas?
Well, all the presents and excitement, you know.
Do you go to church?
No, I don't, you know, it's too exciting, like, and you know, you haven't got time really.
Have you started thinking about Christmas yet?
Oh yes, I have.
What have you done about
I started saving, joining clubs and different things like that.
Do you think Christmas has become too commercialised?
Yes, I think it is. Everybody's cashing in on it, you know, and Christmas cards and, you know, a lot more.
Do you think Christmas has become too commercialised?
Yes, I do. Very much so.
In what way?
Far too many people trying to get money out of Christmas instead of remembering the real purpose of Christmas. The coming of Christ into the world 2,000 years ago. God in flesh coming to die for sinful men. They're forgetting that. And I think that too many people are far too concerned with making money at Christmas time.
Father Christmas, when did you start this year?
On Saturday, last Saturday.
And how did you get this job?
Well, through the Labour Exchange.
Do most Father Christmases come from the Labour Exchange?
Well, I believe they do, yes.
Don't you think it's a bit early to start being Father Christmas now?
Perhaps so, but from my point of view, it's a good thing for me, you see, because it's could only last week, but it's going to last well up to Christmas Eve, and this last 4 years I've been unfortunately at a job in the biggest part of the year, but just when Christmas came I've been out of work this last four Christmases.
Do you think Christmas has become too commercialised?
But I think that it is going away more or less. It's not the Christmas as I used to know. I mean, it's just some sort of having children and having toys. But the festival part or the real meaning doesn't matter a lot. Not to a great many children today.
Don't you think Christmas should be a religious festival?
Well, yes. Being as I'm belong to the Salvation Army, I quite agree that children, the atmosphere of Christmas is gone well away from what it should be. You know, children don't. There's half the children about now, they don't really know, you know, what Christmas is, what really is the meaning of Christmas.